Today we're going to look at bacteria and viruses, the structures of bacteria, the structures of viruses, and the differences between them. So, what are they? Both bacteria and viruses have something in common. They are both pathogens. Now, what are pathogens? Pathogens can be defined as microorganisms that cause diseases, specifically communicable diseases. Apart from virus and bacteria, there are another two main types of pathogens, fungi and protists. But today we're going to focus on virus and bacteria. An example of diseases caused by the virus and bacteria could be HIV by the virus or Salmonella by bacteria. So, let's look at the structure of bacteria. So, bacteria is a prokaryotic microorganism that is usually unicellular. What I'm colouring in now, we can call the cytoplasm. I'm going to label the cell now. One specific detail about prokaryotic cells is that they have no nucleus, and there are no membrane-bound organelles. There are also, sometimes in prokaryotic cells, there is a capsule. This is the innermost layer. And then there is the peptidoglycan cell wall and plasma membrane, like other cells that you might more commonly see. Prokaryotic cells sometimes also have something called a flagellum. The flagellum kind of looks like a tail, as you can see right there. And there are also little circular rings of DNA called plasmids. And one main singular circular chromosome of DNA called the nucleoid. Lastly, there are these hair-like structures sometimes around the bacteria cell. These can be called fimbriae or pili. The pili will be longer than the fimbriae. Oh, and can't forget ribosomes. The ribosomes in prokaryotic cells will be 70S ribosomes, whilst in eukaryotic cells we might see 80S ribosomes. We will see 80S ribosomes. Some prokaryotic cells also have mesosomes or photosynthetic lamellae, but not all of them.